Section 1. A greener shade of finance. The financial world is changing. A new awareness is dawning. Sustainability is no longer a fringe concept, but a core principle. This shift is driving innovation and reshaping how we invest in the future. We are witnessing the rise of green finance, a powerful force for positive change. At the heart of this movement are green loans. These specialized financial instruments are designed to support environmentally friendly projects. They empower businesses to invest in a sustainable future. From renewable energy to energy efficiency, green loans are fueling a global transition. This transformation is not just about protecting our planet, it is also about creating economic opportunities. Green loans are driving job creation, boosting competitiveness, and unlocking new markets. This is a win-win situation for businesses and the environment. We are at a pivotal moment. The choices we make today will determine the future of our planet. Green loans offer a powerful way to invest in a greener, more sustainable world. Section 2. The essence of green loans. Green loans are more than just financial products. They represent a commitment to sustainability. They are specifically designed to fund projects with clear environmental benefits. These loans often come with attractive terms and conditions, making them an appealing choice for businesses. The scope of green loans is vast. They can support a wide range of projects. These include renewable energy installations, energy-efficient building retrofits, sustainable transportation, and waste management. Each project contributes to a greener future. The criteria for green loans are rigorous. They must adhere to strict environmental standards. This ensures that the funds are truly directed towards sustainable initiatives. Transparency is key, with clear reporting requirements on the project's environmental impact. Section 3. Powering a sustainable tomorrow. Renewable energy is a cornerstone of a sustainable future. Green loans are playing a crucial role in its expansion. They provide the necessary capital for large-scale projects. These include solar farms, wind parks, and hydroelectric power plants. These projects are transforming our energy landscape. They are reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. This shift is critical in combating climate change. Green loans are helping to make clean energy accessible and affordable. The impact of these projects extends beyond energy generation. They create jobs, stimulate local economies, and reduce pollution. Green loans are empowering communities to take control of their energy future. Section 4. Fueling efficiency, slashing costs. Energy efficiency is another key area where green loans are making a difference. They enable businesses to invest in technologies and practices that reduce energy consumption. This translates into lower operating costs and a smaller environmental footprint. Green loans can fund a variety of energy efficiency projects. These include upgrading lighting systems, improving insulation, and installing smart meters. These initiatives often pay for themselves over time through reduced energy bills. The benefits of energy efficiency extend beyond cost savings. They enhance comfort, improve indoor air quality, and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Green loans are helping to create more sustainable and healthier buildings. Section 5. Beyond the balance sheet, environmental rewards. The impact of green loans extends far beyond financial returns. They generate a ripple effect of positive environmental outcomes. These benefits are essential for the health of our planet. They contribute to a more sustainable future for generations to come. Renewable energy projects funded by green loans reduce greenhouse gas emissions. This helps to mitigate climate change and its devastating consequences. They also decrease our dependence on fossil fuels, promoting energy independence and security. Energy efficiency initiatives minimize waste and pollution. They conserve resources and protect ecosystems. Green loans are supporting a transition to a circular economy where resources are used more efficiently. Leading financial institutions are embracing the green loan movement. They recognize the immense potential of sustainable finance. These institutions are developing innovative products and services to support green initiatives. Development banks are playing a critical role. They are providing funding and expertise for large-scale sustainable projects. Commercial banks are also increasing their green loan portfolios, recognizing the growing demand from businesses. Governments are providing incentives and regulatory support to encourage green lending. This collaborative approach is essential for accelerating the transition to a sustainable economy. Green loans are not just about funding existing technologies. They are also a powerful catalyst for innovation. They encourage businesses to develop and implement new sustainable solutions. These loans support research and development in areas such as renewable energy, energy storage, and carbon capture. They provide the financial backing needed to bring these cutting-edge technologies to market. This innovation is essential for addressing the complex environmental challenges we face. Green loans are accelerating the development of solutions that can help us build a more sustainable future. The future of our planet depends on our collective action. We must all embrace the principles of sustainability. Businesses have a crucial role to play in this transition. Green loans empower them to make a difference. By choosing green loans, businesses can reduce their environmental impact. They can enhance their reputation and attract environmentally conscious customers. This is an opportunity to contribute to a better world while reaping economic benefits. We must all work together to create a greener future. Every step we take towards sustainability counts. Green loans provide a powerful pathway for businesses to join this global movement. Green loans offer a compelling opportunity for businesses of all sizes. They provide a pathway to align financial success with environmental responsibility. This is a chance to be part of a global shift towards a more sustainable future. By embracing green loans, businesses can unlock a multitude of benefits. They can reduce their operating costs, enhance their brand value, and contribute to a healthier planet. This is a win-win situation for businesses, communities, and the environment. The time for action is now. Green loans are a powerful tool for change. Let us embrace this opportunity to create a brighter, greener future for generations to come.